First, indiscriminate killing of Rohingya civilians. Mr. President, distinguished members of the court, it is an honor to address you for the first time and a special privilege and responsibility to do so on behalf of the Gambia. I will continue the Gambia's submission by describing the clearance operation that Myanmar conducted in a second village in northern Rakhine State, known as Chutpin. You just heard from Ms. Pasipanutka about the brutal clearance operation visited upon the village of Minji. As I will explain, a remarkably similar and cruel fate befell Chutpin, a different village in a different township, more than 90 kilometers from Minji, where the Tatmadaw massacred some 400 Rohingya. As Mr. Reichler showed you yesterday, Chutpin, known in Rohingya as Shrap Parung, is a village tract in northern Ratadang Township, surrounded by rice paddies and forest. It included a Rohingya settlement, at the time inhabited by about 1,200 people, and a nearby ethnic Rakhine hamlet with an estimated population of 400. Rohingya families there were farmers and laborers, raising livestock and cultivating vegetables. Many were at home for lunch or at the mosque for prayers when the Tatmadaw began the clearance operation at around 2 p.m. on the 27th of August 2017. Accompanied by other security forces and ethnic Rakhine people, Tatmadaw soldiers emerged from the direction of the Rakhine hamlet and encircled the Rohingya village. The clearance operation in Chutpin then unfolded according to a familiar modus operandi, characterized by 5 distinctive features. First, indiscriminate killing of Rohingya civilians. The UN fact-finding mission found, quote, the security forces opened fire, shooting at villagers, including those who were fleeing, end quote. This finding is corroborated by considerable first-hand witness testimony and independent investigations by reputable organizations. Amnesty International, for example, reported that Myanmar security forces attacked the entire Rohingya population in Chutpin. In the words of one survivor, as villagers fled towards the surrounding paddy fields, the Tatmadaw fired at them, killing whoever they could. Many Rohingya, including children, were killed. A mother recalled the murder of her 2.5-year-old son, quote, the military were all around shooting. A bullet shot through my son's stomach and opened it. I saw the blood coming out of his stomach and I fainted, end quote. The infant died soon after. Another survivor, a 12-year-old girl named Fatima, described how soldiers opened fire from behind her family as they were running from their house, killing her father and her 10-year-old sister. The Tatmadaw went door to door, dragged people out, and shot them at point-blank range, or cut their throats with large knives. As a witness told Fortified Rights, the military shot people and the Rakhine were cutting heads. Some of the people were shot by the military first, and when they were lying down, the Rakhine came and cut their necks. As another survivor told the UN fact-finding mission, if people were not killed by the first gunshots, they were slaughtered with long knives to make sure they were really dead. The second pattern in Chutpin is that the men and boys were singled out and systematically executed. In the northern part of Chutpin, for example, soldiers forced a group of villagers into a school and executed the men and boys. A victim whose husband was killed recalled, "I saw so many bodies in front of the school. Some had been shot, some had been cut. All of the dead bodies were bound, their hands tied with rope. There were bullets on the ground everywhere. There was so much blood. The dead bodies were like stones in a field." House after house, the Tatmadaw repeated this pattern. When soldiers entered into a woman's home, they took her husband and father-in-law into the yard and shot them there. In another, they dragged a man outside and fired repeatedly into his chest. Another survivor saw her husband and son tied up, beaten, and slaughtered as a soldier cut their throats. In a statement taken by the IIMM, a witness testified, "The militaries took my son. They brought him to the alley of a paddy field. 4 soldiers surrounded my son. He was killed in front of my own eyes. A soldier put bullets into his long gun and shot him in the temple. He died immediately."